Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the VONCI 500W Commercial Immersion Blender, a powerhouse tool designed for professional kitchen use. This blender boasts a robust 500-watt pure copper motor, offering variable speed control from 6,000 to 20,000 RPM, allowing you to tackle a wide range of culinary tasks with precision and ease. Safety is a top priority with its secure starting device, requiring both the switch and safety button to be pressed simultaneously, while the 225 cm power cord provides flexibility in any kitchen setting. The durable 16-inch stainless steel shaft is detachable for easy cleaning, and its arc-shaped blade design minimizes food splashes, ensuring a cleaner workspace. Ergonomically designed for comfort, the handheld mixer reduces fatigue during extended use, and the lock button allows for continuous operation, streamlining your workload. NSF and ETL certified, the VONCI blender is versatile enough to handle everything from batter and sauces to soups and beverages, making it an essential tool for restaurants, hotels, and other commercial venues. With lifetime technical support and a commitment to quality, the VONCI 500W Commercial Immersion Blender is a reliable choice for any professional kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.